we cry when joy is high, when laughter fills the air. The body sends a mixed up note, emotions tangled there. Our nerves and glands are wired close, the signals overlap, so tears can flow in moments bright, a human kind of map. Tears in the wires, joy and pain the same, different sparks but tangled fire, running down one lane. From weddings to frustrations, from fury to delight, we're creatures built with crosstalk, our feelings taking flight. The limbic brain is ancient, it governs how we feel. It pulls the strings on heartbeat and tears that can reveal. When joy burns just as brightly as anger's fiery flame, the nervous system blurs the lines and tears arrive the same. Tears in the wires, joy and pain the same, different sparks but tangled fire, running down one lane. Like goosebumps when we're frightened, or shivers when we sing, it's crossed up human circuitry that makes our bodies ring. Some tears bring out endorphins to soothe a heavy storm, a pressure valve for feelings, a way our hearts transform. Happy tears may balance out emotions running high, a chemical reset switch released behind the eye. It isn't weakness showing, it's biology at play. The same nerves send the message down a complicated way. We laugh, we shout, we tremble, we're messy wired through. And sometimes all that energy just spills as liquid too. Tears in the wires, joy